DJI continues to dominate the skies in 2025, and if you're thinking about upgrading your drone game, you're in the right place. From ultra-portable flyers to pro-level aerial beasts, today we're breaking down the 6 best DJI drones of 2025. Whether you're a beginner, content creator, or professional pilot, there's something here for you. Let's dive in. Number 6. DJI Neo. Discover the DJI Neo, a game-changer for beginners and casual drone enthusiasts in 2025. This ultra-lightweight drone, weighing just 135 kg, is designed for ease of use with palm takeoff and AI subject tracking, making it perfect for capturing stunning 4K UHD footage effortlessly. Its compact design and built-in propeller guard ensure safe, worry-free flights, ideal for spontaneous adventures. The Neo supports multiple control options, including controller-less operation, the DJI Fly app, and voice commands, offering unmatched flexibility for creators on the go. With a 10-kilometer video transmission range and 3-axis gimbal stabilization, it delivers smooth, high-quality visuals even in dynamic environments. Firmware updates in 2024 added vertical shooting, enhancing its versatility for social media content creation. While it lacks the advanced features of higher-end models, the Neo's affordability and portability make it a fantastic entry-level choice. Its intuitive controls and automated flight modes like Follow Me in Orbit simplify aerial photography for novices. The Neo is regulation-friendly under 249G, bypassing many legal restrictions, and its durable design ensures it can handle minor bumps. Perfect for hobbyists, this drone is a budget-friendly way to explore aerial videography. Whether you're vlogging or capturing scenic landscapes, the DJI Neo offers reliable performance without breaking the bank. Rumors of a Neo 2 in late 2025 hint at even more features, but for now, this drone shines as an accessible, fun option for all skill levels. Number 5. DJI FPV. The DJI FPV remains a thrilling choice for adrenaline junkies and FPV enthusiasts in 2025. Launched as DJI's first dedicated first-person view drone, it combines speed, power, and immersive flight experiences with its 4K 60 FPS camera and low-latency digital transmission. Paired with DJI's FPV Goggles V2, it delivers a heart-pounding, cockpit-like perspective, perfect for dynamic footage in commercials or action-packed vlogs. Its 2.3-inch CMOS sensor captures vibrant 4K video, though it doesn't match the Avatar 2's image quality or dynamic range. With a top speed of 140 km/h and a 10-kilometer transmission range, this drone is built for high-speed chases and creative aerial shots. The DJI FPV is beginner-friendly, offering 3 flight modes: normal, sport, and manual for a gradual learning curve. Its intuitive controls and emergency brake feature enhance safety, making it accessible for new pilots while satisfying seasoned pros. However, its bulkier design and shorter 20-minute flight time compared to newer models are slight drawbacks. The FPV's durable frame and easy-to-use interface make it a solid pick for those diving into the FPV world without needing the latest upgrades. While it's been overshadowed by the Avatar 2, the DJI FPV's affordability and out-of-the-box readiness keep it relevant. Ideal for capturing cinematic FPV shots, this drone is a must-have for thrill seekers and content creators looking to push creative boundaries in 2025. Number 4. DJI Avatar 2. The DJI Avatar 2 takes FPV flying to new heights in 2025, offering an unmatched immersive experience for pilots seeking excitement and creativity. Released in April 2024, this compact FPV drone features a 1.3-inch CMOS sensor, capturing sharper 4K 60 FPS video with improved dynamic range compared to its predecessor. Paired with the lightweight Goggles 3 and DJI RC Motion 3, it provides a seamless, intuitive flight experience with a 10-kilometer transmission range. Its durable frame and built-in propeller guard ensure it can bounce back from minor collisions, making it bold yet reliable for daring maneuvers. The Avatar 2's easy flip and roll capabilities, combined with a 23-minute flight time, make it ideal for capturing dynamic, cinematic footage. Its omnidirectional obstacle sensing adds safety, though it's less advanced than traditional camera drones. The drone's ready-to-fly package, including goggles and motion controller, offers excellent value for FPV enthusiasts. While it's pricier than the original DJI FPV, its upgraded image quality and gentler learning curve make it worth the investment. The Avatar 2 excels in tight spaces and creative shoots, perfect for filmmakers and vloggers wanting professional-grade FPV footage. With no new Avatar model rumored for 2025, this drone remains a top choice for immersive, high-energy aerial adventures. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, the Avatar 2 delivers fun and versatility in a compact package. Number 3. DJI Mavic 4 Pro. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro, launched in April 2025, is a powerhouse for professional filmmakers and aerial photographers. Equipped with a triple camera system, including a main camera shooting 6K video, it offers unmatched versatility and image quality. Its 4.3-inch CMOS sensor, paired with a 24mm wide-angle lens, delivers 20-megapixel photos with a 12.8 stop dynamic range, perfect for capturing stunning landscapes and detailed close-ups. The drone's 51-minute flight time, though closer to 40 in real-world tests, and omnidirectional obstacle avoidance ensure smooth, safe flights even in complex environments. The DJI RC2 Smart Controller with a 7-inch display enhances usability, making it a favorite for pros. Supporting advanced codecs like Apple ProRes and H.265, it caters to high-end productions. However, its high price tag and limited availability in the US due to tariffs make it a premium investment. The Mavic 4 Pro's subject tracking and automated flight modes, like ActiveTrack 360-degree, simplify complex shots, while its rapid, responsive controls impress in testing. Compared to the Air 3S, it offers superior resolution and camera flexibility, though it's less budget-friendly. Ideal for travel filmmakers and commercial shoots, this drone sets a new standard for professional-grade aerial content in 2025. Despite stock challenges, its cutting-edge features make it a top contender for those needing the best in drone technology. Number 2. DJI Inspire 3. The DJI Inspire 3 is the ultimate choice for professional cinematographers in 2025, designed for high-end film productions and complex shoots. Released in April 2023, this beast features a full-frame X9 8K air gimbal camera, capturing 8K 25 FPS Cinema DNG or 8K 75 FPS Apple ProRes RAW footage. Its interchangeable lens system and Cinecore 3.0 processing ensure unparalleled image quality, meeting the demands of top-tier film and TV projects. With a 10mm flight accuracy and dual operator control, it's built for precision in crowded environments like film sets. The Inspire 3's RTK positioning enhances stability, though its bulky design and 28-minute flight time require careful planning. Its $16,000 price tag and complex setup make it unsuitable for casual users, but for professionals, it's a game changer. The drone's omnidirectional sensing and advanced flight modes, like waypoint navigation, support intricate shots with ease. While not as portable as the Mavic series, its robust build and pro-grade features justify the investment for studios. No new Inspire models are planned for 2025, cementing its status as DJI's flagship professional drone. Perfect for commercial inspections and cinematic productions, the Inspire 3 delivers unmatched flexibility and quality, making it a top pick for serious filmmakers seeking Hollywood-level results. Number 1. DJI Air 3S. Topping our list for 2025 is the DJI Air 3S, a dual-camera drone that redefines value and performance for both hobbyists and professionals. Released in 2024, it features a 1-inch CMOS main sensor and a 1.3-inch 70mm telephoto lens, capturing 50-megapixel photos and 4K 60 FPS HDR video with 14 stops of dynamic range. Its upgraded LiDAR and nightscape obstacle sensing make it a low-light powerhouse, offering confidence-inspiring collision avoidance even at dusk. With a 45-minute flight time and a 10-kilometer transmission range, the Air 3S ensures extended, reliable shoots. The DJI RC2 controller's bright screen and responsive controls enhance the flying experience, while features like Active Track 360 zbridon and automated modes simplify creative shots. Compared to the Mavic 3 Pro, it delivers comparable quality at a lower price, making it a compelling alternative. Its consistent color profiles across lenses and support for D-Log-M and HLG ensure post-production flexibility. The Air 3S's compact design and omnidirectional sensing make it ideal for travel and versatile shooting scenarios. While it lacks the Mavic 4 Pro's 6K resolution, its balance of affordability, advanced features, and stellar low-light performance make it the best all-around DJI drone for 2025. Perfect for creators seeking professional results without breaking the bank.